morning, children. How are you all? Myself, Harjeet ma'am. I know you are enjoying and learning online classes. Now tell me in English, what have you learned till now? Yes, alphabet A to D. So let's revise alphabet A to D with picture and sound. Here is alphabet A, Mama A, Baby A. Its sound is A. A is for apple. A is for X. A is for ant. A is for arrow. A is for airplane. A is for anchor. A is for alligator. Next alphabet is B. Mama B, baby B. Its sound is B. B is for ball. B is for boy. B is for balloon. B is for butterfly. B is for bell. B is for banana. B is for bus. Which alphabet is here? Yes. C. Mama C, baby C. Its sound is K. C is for cat. C is for cake. Yes, candles also. C is for cow. C is for crayons. C is for castle. C is for car. C is for camel. Which alphabet is here? Yes. D. Mama D, baby D. Its sound is D. D is for dog. D is for drum. D is for duck. D is for dolphin. D is for deer. D is for dots. D is for doll. Now we learn new alphabet E. Mama E, baby E. Its sound is A. E is for egg. E is for eagle. E is for elephant. E is for eraser. E is for engine. E is for ear. E is for earth. E is for earrings. E is for 8. E is for envelope. E is for eyebrow. E is for eye. E is for elbow. These all things are related to alphabet E.
The letter E. E. Letter E says Letter E says elephant, egg, and elf. Elephant. Egg. Elf. E.
Thank you.